Buongiorno a tutti. I'm Jessie. I'm the owner of Italy Vacation Specialists. I'm here today in one of my favorite wine producing areas in Italy called the Valdobbiadene. And the Valdobbiadene is famous for the Prosecco. Prosecco is the Italian version of champagne or spumante, and we love it. This is a Prosecco wine heaven. I can take you around this area and show you with our team of incredible driver guides the best of what this area in northern Italy, just west of Venice, northwest of Venice, has to offer. And if you come, you do not want to miss this incredible territory. It's on the border of the Dolomite mountain range, on the border of Valpolicella, which is a red wine producing area. We love the wines here in Italy. We can't wait to show you the best of this incredible territory. Get in touch with our team at italyvacationspecialist.com. We are ready and willing to share the tips, tricks, and best ways to experience these incredible northern wine districts. Arrivederci, ciao for now.